Yeah, hi, this is Vince calling from Tony's Pizza. Your pizza's out for delivery, but we're having problems with your credit card. Okay, well, somebody placed an order 20 minutes ago. Three medium cheese pizzas. They're coming for delivery. They're out right now. Well, I don't know. Maybe somebody else in the house ordered it. I don't know. I just know the pizza's got to be paid for. Local total is 26.81 plus tip. You want to try another credit card? You gonna pay cash? What? Look, your delivery driver is going to be there. You know, he's going to come soon. You got to have the. You sort it out with him, okay? The pizzas are not refundable.